Good day, sir. For today's video, I will be going to discuss the topic number 6, which is the general preventive measures in controlling animal disease. So, when we say preventive measures in controlling animal disease, it is the prevention of some diseases that can affect to animal health. So, the question is, how can we prevent the animals that are already infected by the disease? So, the thing we have to do is to isolate the sick animals. It is for separating animals to prevent disease spread to other animals. So, we have some methods of disease control or prevent the spread of infection. First is we have cleanliness, disinfection, quarantine, pasture rotation, vaccination, and lastly we have destroying ailing animals and disposal of carcasses. So we all know that these methods of controlling or prevent the spread of infection is common in our farm. So when we see cleanliness, cleanliness, it is the most important way to reduce the spread of infection is hand washing. So frequently wash your hands with soap and water. And also sterilize the materials that you use in your farm like needles and syringe. So next is we have disinfection. So disinfection. It describes the process that eliminates many or all pathogenic microorganisms except bacterial spores on animate objects. And also we have quarantine. So just like I have said earlier, quarantine is to isolate or separating the sick animals to other animals to prevent the spread of disease. And next is we have pasture rotation. So, rotational grazing offers an invasive for controlling worm numbers within livestock. For example, by dividing pasture into subplots of land, animals can be grazed after the infective have died off. And also, we have vaccination. So, and this vaccination offers an effective and expensive way to prevent a deadly disease from harming the animals in their care. Animal disease pose a risk to a public health and cause damage to businesses and the economy. And also, farmers and the government therefore taking every precaution to prevent disease, such as keeping animal housing clean and vaccinating livestock. And lastly, we have uh, destroying ailing animals and disposal of carcasses. So, it is also common to the livestock. So, proper disposal of carcasses of animals died of infectious disease it is at most importance in preventing the spread of diseases that other animals can be affected. That's all.